Mary Com Regional Boxing Foundation की अनौबा सानरोइसिंग खन्नबा ट्रायल चथखरे ngasi Langol da laiba Mary Com Regional Boxing Foundation की चथखिबा ट्रायल अदुदा Go Sports Foundation की Senior Lead Program Anirban Chakraborty na phongdokkhibada chahi 13 suraba Go Sports Foundation asina boxing khakna tana atopa sports ki discipline tasu sanaroi kya ama semgatli national amadi international ki thak khakna tana olympic ki thak tasu sanaroi kya puthok pangamli Manipur asi sports ki lamda sanaroi afauba kya ama puthoktuna lakli Go Sports Foundation makha tana lamda masigi sanaroi semgatpada angamba mateng pangkhigani haikki ngasi dagi hauraga numinini chathagadori ba boxing trial selection aduda chahi 10 dagi 15 faugi manungda leiba nipa macha 38 amadi nupi macha 12 na saruk yakhi
Who don't know Go Sports, Go Sports Foundation is a 16-year-old organization. We support upcoming athletes like you, and our goal is to develop the upcoming athletes across India. So right now we have over 200 plus athletes across different states in India, and more than that, we also have right now we have eight high performance academies across 6 different sports. So we have a boxing academy, which is Mary Com Boxing Academy. We also have a table tennis high performance center, which is Raman Reddy High Performance Center in Chennai. We have weightlifting academy, Satish Sivalingam Foundation in Vellore. Kanna Maleshwari Foundation in Haryana, Malik Badminton Academy in Haryana. We also have one badminton academy in Bangalore, one shooting academy in Mumbai, and PT Usha's academy as well in Kozhikode. So as you see, we have quite a diverse number of academies, and it's been a great pleasure to support Mary Com Boxing Foundation, especially considering the work we see here. And the way we support academies is we support academies with sport infrastructure, gym infrastructure, or any sports science related needs. So as an athlete, so it's our pleasure to have you here, and we look forward to you performing in the trials. As an athlete, you would need not just like in terms of training performance, but you also need support in terms of nutrition, in terms of coaching, in terms of how to develop your physique, your fitness. So our opportunity is that how to do that, and of course with partnership with the foundation, with the academy, we would love to support you, and please give your best. We look forward to having you, and we hope that so many of you are here. We hope some of them make it to the academy, and then you can be part of this fantastic establishment. So wishing you all the best. Have fun. Don't forget to have fun. But wishing you the best, and hopefully we'll see you guys all soon here. Thank you.